scalp melted.
Just really wanna fuck with a Pisces. Bad bitch, long hair with some nice teeth. Flash shit only, kinda like me. Me and you, we can do this every night, see. I just really wanna kick it with a Pisces. Lay back, get lifted with a Pisces. Okay.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for holding it down. Also, all my new subscribers, hey, how you doing? Also, anyone that's watching this video for the very first time, you know what to do. Click that notification bell and that subscribe button right there so y'all guys can know when I'm providing new content. Also, you guys, I just finally hit 900 subscribers. Woo! I know y'all like 900, but whatever. It's a big deal to me because think about it. I started from 0 and now I'm at 900 and 100 more, 1,000. So these videos are gonna be the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if y'all guys, you dolls, can do me a favor, you know, share my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos. Also my Instagram posts, you know, like, share, spam it the fuck up. Needless to say, hopefully everyone's doing okay around this terrible, crazy, dangerous time. I don't want to say the word because, you know, YouTube is trying to flag people. Can I say Rona? Okay, I'm gonna say Rona. Hopefully I don't get flagged, but yeah, hopefully everyone is, you know, adjusting to this new, crazy, strange world where we have to wear masks all over the place. We can't be here, we can't be there. We gotta be so cautious. We gotta, you know, be extra careful nowadays because there's a lot of shit going on. And I don't want to get into too much politics in this video. I'm not gonna do that. But y'all know. And I'm gonna leave it like that. But anyway, I am here to do a wig review. This company off of Amazon.com is called Leeven Hair. They actually sent me this wig to review. Thank you, Leeven Hair, for sending me this hair. So far, I ain't gonna lie. At first, I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it looked, you know, on the thin side, and I like to have a lot of volume, you know, volume or whatnot. It's like a little, you know, curly wavy bob. I actually used this pick or whatever, and I did a little teasing to give it some more volume. And once I added the volume, I actually, you know, started to grow on me. It's synthetic, or whatever, so, you know, it's not gonna be like, ooh. But for synthetic hair, it actually does feel good. It's nice and soft. I like the waves and the bob, and I like it because it's something different, you know. I feel like last year, 2019, I was a different person. I was a person that I even didn't care for. Not going to get into details about that, but I just feel like I'm a whole new, better person, and I've been feeling really good about myself, and I've been really feeling good. I can't even say the future anymore because this is Rona shit. But prior to the Rona, I was, you know, feeling confident, feeling good. I'm like, yeah, I'm about to really be on my shit. I'm about to do this, I'm about to do that. Even though I am pursuing those things, but you know, the Rona kind of slow it down a bit. This hair came, this was the package that it came in. It was, look, it's like a little kitty. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. It came in this pack. It's so cute. This hair is, maybe it was like $35. I'm going to leave the price and everything down below, but it wasn't no more than $40. But let's get on to putting this. I'm going to show you guys how I put this wig on my hair, made it so melted, and ooh, it's melted. Ooh, I did a little tweezing though. I did tweeze a little bit, but you know I hate tweezing because it takes forever. But you can tell the difference between this teasing and, yeah, you see that? No tweeze, tweeze. So y'all can tell the difference. And I did a little baby hair. I didn't do too much. But anyways, enough of the blah, 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 blah. Just watch the video, see how I put it on my head, and stay tuned. Hey y'all, so the wig has 2 combs on the side, and it has a large comb in the back as well. Right now, I'm just going to put it on just to see how it looks and what I got to work with. Also, I'm going to tweeze around the headline in the middle part. Once I do that, I'm going to spray Got to Be on it and wrap it around, let it dry. And I also did a little bit more plucking, just a little bit. And then I begin to cut the lace. Now be careful because I am a victim to this shit. I cut myself once doing this. and whatever's like lifted after I cut it, I spray some more and blow dry it, and then I'll wipe the remainder product off my forehead with alcohol. And I'm just cutting a little bit of baby hair. I'm not doing a whole lot because it's already this bold blonde. I don't need too much, you know. You get what I'm saying? Never do too much. Too much is always not good, so they say. Also put concealer in the part in concealer that matches my skin tone around the headline, so it could seem more seamless and melted. And I'm just letting the makeup part scan real quick, and boom, here she go. Ew, here she go. Also, like I said, I did tweeze it a bit so I could get that sexy volume. Ooh. Okay, I'm really bored during this quarantine, so don't judge me. But yes, this is the final look of it. I love it. It is cute. It is summertime ready. Once this Rona ends and we can go back out, you know, I'm gonna be dipping and doing it. So this is the final look of my hair. Well, you already saw that in the beginning of the video, but hopefully you guys like it. Again, this is from Leeven Hair off of Amazon. Again, thank you for watching my video. Y'all know what to do. If you're not subscribing, this is your first time watching, why not? Might as well go subscribe. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. Thanks for watching and bye.